friends, welcome back to Math Shafi. I am Rajiv and we are continuing the session of what multiplication, easy multiplication, time saving or energy saving multiplication. Okay, so last class we have gone through what 3 digit into 2 digit, that is 3 by 2. So obviously what we'll go for, that is 4 by 2, 4 digit into 2 digit we are going to try here. Okay, just a try, find it will be easier. And for a change, this time we are not writing the formula. Why? Because a formula means if we are writing the formula for this one, it will seem difficult for you, or you won't be able to, we won't try after that. You will directly go to the question. So please make sure that you have seen my previous videos, both the 2 by 2 multiplication and 3 by 2 multiplication, and just practice it, then only go for this video. Please do it. Then you will find it much easier. There is no need for formula here. Okay, so shall we start? Fine? Yes. So first question, we'll go for the question directly. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 8. Okay, 4,328 into, we are going for what? 15 we will try. 4,328 into 15. So here what happens? If we can guess what happens here, obviously the unit place will sum up the what? Unit into unit place will give you the product term, or the unit place of the product. So I am writing the step here. What is that? 8 into 5 I am taking as a product. 8 into 5. That will be the unit place of the product. Okay. Now what happens? Now please see, when we are going for, if this is a 3 digit number, if it is 328 into 15, obviously it will be 3 by 2 multiplication. Then how much pair will be there for the tens place, 100 place? There will be 2 pairs, right? 28 into 15 and 32 into 15. Okay. But here what happens? We are continuing that. That means here one more pair we will go. Okay. That means we are just continuing the process of 3 by 2 multiplication here. So first we will go for what? We will go for the first pair. What is that? 28 into 15. The normal thing we are used in the 3 by 2 multiplication, right? 28 into 15. I am writing in the first question will go at the step. Okay. Product into extreme plus product into means. That is 2 into 5, right? Plus 8 into 1. You got that? 2 into 5 plus 8 into 1. Okay. Now, here please keep in mind we are continuing the process. Okay. Next pair we are doing. What is that? 32 into 15. The same thing we have done in the 3 by 2 multiplication. Okay. 32 into 15. What is 32 into 15? The same thing. What is 3 into 5 plus 2 into 1. Right? Is it fine? Yeah. And this is a 4 by 2 multiplication. So I told you one more pair will add up. That's the only difference. Very easy. Okay. What is that? The next pair is, the last pair is 43 into 15. Okay. I am going to write the last pair 43 into 15. What is that? Product of extremes? 4 into 5 plus 3 into 1. Right? And the pairs are over. Right? 3 pairs will come. That's the thing. And the last one is what? The same process. What is that? The 1000th digit of the 4 digit number into the 10th digit of the 2 digit number. What is that? 4 into 1. Is it simple? Yeah, it is simple. If you are going through the process, the same process continuing. Now we'll go for the what? Carryover. Very easy. 5 into 8 is what? 40. 0. 4 is a carryover. 2 5s are 10. Plus 8 into 1 is 8. 10 plus 8 is 18 plus 4, 22. Again 2 is a carryover here. 3 into 5, 15 plus 2 into 1 is 2. 15 plus 2 is what? 17. 17 plus a carryover 2. What is that? 19. And 1 is a carryover. Again 4 into 5, 20. 3 into 1 is 3. So 20 plus 3 is 23. And the carryover 1 is 24. Yes. 2 is a carryover. And the last thing what? 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 2 is 64,920. So always keep in mind, we will get a minimum of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number. Why is that? It is a 4 by 2 multiplication. Okay, minimum of 5-digit number will be. So shall we try one more question? Yes. Next question, what is that? 2467 into, let that be what? 30, oh, let that be 38. Okay, I am trying to get all the numbers, all the different numbers, so that you will understand. Okay, 2467 into 38. So can we just try? Okay, fine. Again, what? We write the step. No issues. We write the step. What we are starting from? Unit place. What is that? 7 into 8. Okay. Tens place. That means the first pair. What is that? 67 into 38. How much is that? Please write with me. 6 into 8. What is that? 6 into 8 plus 7 into 3. Right. Fine. Next pair. How to take the next pair? The adjacent pair. What is that? 46 into 38. Right. 46 into 38. How much is that? 4 into 8. Right. Plus. What is that? 6 into 3. Okay. And again, coming to the last pair. Sorry. Which is the last pair here? 24. I am rounding it. Okay. 24 into 38. Okay. I will write it here. Okay. I will write it here. How much is 24 into 38? How to do that? 2 into 8 plus 4 into 3. Fine. And the last number would be what? 2 into 3. Right? 2 into 3. Now, can we just add up? 7 8s are what? 56. Okay. 5 will be the carryover. Now, here, some more calculations are there. Why? Because some bigger numbers I have used. Okay. Let's see. 6 into 8 is what? 48. Plus 7 into 3 is what? 21. 48 plus 21. How much is 48 plus 21? Just keep it in mind. Okay. Just try to do it in mind. 48 plus 21. What is that? 48 plus 20 will be 68. Plus 1, 69. 69 plus the carryover 5. How much is 69 plus 5 is 74. Okay. Big numbers. Don't worry. Just keep it in practice. Okay. 74. 7 will be the carryover. Again, 4 8s are 32. Plus 6 into 3, 18. 32 plus 18 is very easy to calculate. 32 plus 18, it will be a round number. What is that? 50. Okay. 50 plus 7 will be what? 57. 7, 5 will be the carry. Okay. I have written it here because there was no space. Okay. Now, 4 into 3, sorry, 2 into 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 into 3 is 12. Okay. 16 plus 12. How much is that? 28. Okay. Plus 5, 33. 3 here, 3 carry over. And the last step, what is that? 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 93,746. You just check it. Please check it. Okay. Now, can you just try it? Yes. I will give you a homework. What is that? 4, 5, 6, 7. Let it be a bigger number. 4, 5, 6, 7 into, what is that? 89. Let it be a bigger number. Okay. Please try this using this step. And please try some more questions. Whichever question you guess, you please try. And then please comment me. Okay. Please put the answer in the comment box. Okay. So, this is a step for 4 by 2 multiplication. Okay. You got that? 4 by 2 multiplication. Okay. So, with that we come to the end of 4 by 2 multiplication. It's very easy. If you try it, it will be very helpful in any exam. Okay. Please do it. Please try it. We need it all the time. Okay. Without even writing the step. Because for 4 by 2 multiplication, the normal procedure will be what? If you are writing this 4, 3, 2, 8 into 15, if you are going to write. Okay. Then you will do all the things here. 5 into 8 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5. Then you are writing it here the first thing. Then 1 into all this again second step. Then we are going to the last step. I think at least you will say minimum of 5 to 10 seconds if you are doing it like this. Minimum. Okay. Because 15 is very easy. What about 89? Again you will have to do all the things. Right? But if you are trying to do with step in the initial thing, in the beginning, and then if you are ommitting the step, that means we are getting the pace. Okay? That means we are trying harder. Okay? At that time, it will be very easy. Within a matter of seconds, within 10 seconds, you can solve this. Okay? You just try it. Just keep up the pace. Okay? That's very important. Okay? So with that, the multiplication. Okay? Now 3-digit multiplication, we'll go for another session. That'll be easier. Please try. Any number you try, then check it with the calculator or anything. I am sure you will get it. When you are going for 3 or 4 questions, you will be fine with this. This is very easy. Okay. So with that, we are signing off. And please watch my videos. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Okay. Thank you.